Are you looking to replace your dust collector or explore new filter media options? Understanding your dust properties is the first place to start. The 6 most important dust properties to consider are size, density, chemistry, temperature, moisture, and combustibility. Is your particulate small or large? For example, if you're less than 0.5 microns, you may need a specialty media. The next thing to consider would be density. Is your dust low in density like wood chips, or is it higher in density like fine steel dust? In regards to chemistry, is your dust going to be abrasive or corrosive? If it's going to be abrasive, you may need to consider special equipment or media that can handle that abrasiveness. In regards to temperature, do you work in a high heat environment? If you're over 275 degrees, we can help you figure out the right media for you. Let's talk about moisture. Do you have any moisture or oils in your process? For example, working with fertilizers or some concretes, you may get some moisture in there. But once you get over 20%, you may need to consider a different type of filtration system. Last is combustible dust. With metals, woods, or plastic, you may have some combustibility issues. If that's the case, you may want to consider some explosion prevention systems or specialty medias. Do you need to size out your dust collector? Go online and take our dust collector sizing quiz today.